给他10%的工资，
不用你给他工资就可以，给他每个月工资一般的工资。
你给他工资，一般保证是你给他工资，不投资给工资。
他来不来盯着呢？
不盯，有事儿他盯，
就是名义上的。
有事儿盯。交个税金啦，或者你名义
这个人不用我亲戚，我在飞机找到。
名儿是老太太，
不老太太那儿，除了老太太还有别人，我都可以。无非就是有身份证的人。
你这么想就不是你有印象，在摆摊的时候你见过在这女学生
哦，我见过一个黑的，
没有黑的，
我见过。
再来两个，
他们来旅游的，
长得也挺精神的，
他们不去。
没钱人干啥吧？没可学习有什么，他们可以，但是就是因为没有钱，
咱不会进去。
利用这一年，只有老了。
不是你看我最后两年，
当然就有要给
对，就
欠合同欠几天？我想欠3年。
不要这样，还欠你，为什么欠你？因为你们那个
你给他多了，咱赚钱多了。
They're really serious about those things that they want. Size of the
Where you going, Mary?
the freak got
I got to take off, you know. I'm gonna have another one.
everybody has to be here.
I gotta go to get meetings
Because
with
we get
Shepherd's
the
Pie.
extra cost it was. Do we know the shepherd?
I'm gonna make a Shepherd's Pie.
She is in New York. She has 25 on the house.
Oh, yeah.
Have you ever taken doing another,
You see, we need big ones. One from our crowd shows. See, any big shots like that. Because when you're on a board, you use to especially when you get started, right?
Never ending.
especially after a few drinks, you gotta see it in the morning.
I can't even see myself in the mirror. Thank God, mind you.
I don't know. Just see what the right
Isabel, I did come to see you at Old Park.
And he doesn't move all the ashtrays around either.
You guys went on the boat and rolled up at the pub.
Yes.
And I came into Old Park Yacht Club.
We still tease Alistair.
That's 8 years later. But I wouldn't go onto those power lines. Wouldn't go onto those power lines. I calculated maybe if I could hit them with the antenna. I don't rely on the information. I play while I try to get.
Well, you have to replace it something, so I guess you do
Johnson
it.
arrived about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning and decided he was going to wake us up because they heard we were in off. They heard, this is big rock puck. I said, what kind of a big fish? One of those atlas things. He shows up at 3 hours in the morning.
But we found a bird at the Yacht Club. So I had another bird selling antenna. Silly bastard.
Yeah.